talk to my client too. Thanks.
Okay,
thank-
well, he's out. The clerk brought everyone out. I need Mr. Robbins, I need you to remove your hat. I need everyone to turn on the devices. Keep still. If you're walking around, driving, sleeping, or talking, I'm going to remove you. Mr. Robbins, find somewhere to be still and remove your hat. Have a seat, Mr. Robinson. Robbins. I can't hear you. You're muted, but stay muted.
Yeah, I hear everything you're saying.
Okay, okay. We're about to open court. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, sleeping, driving, walking around, talking to your family members. Please be mindful that you're in court and you're before the judge. When the court calls your name, unmute your device and give the court your full attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Judge. Good morning, Ms. Horn. Good morning, Mr. Baughman, and good morning, Mr. Dupree. Do we want to start with Mr. Dupree's matter first?
No, he's not ready.
Oh, he's not ready?
We're not ready, Judge. Thank you, though.
Okay.
Ready
Mr.
on
Baughman,
Siobhan
did you have a preference as to who you wanted to do first?
I'm ready on Siobhan Denham, Your Honor, please, and thank you.
This is the people versus Siobhan Denham. Ticket number 483576, count 1, unregistered motor vehicle, count 2, improper plate, count 3, no operator's license on person. Ticket number P963007, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count 3, improper plate. Thanks for the record, starting with Attorney Baughman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant P55052. Ma'am, state your name for the record, please.
Siobhan Denham.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant is here for the purpose of a trial towards that. And I do want to recognize that the good Officer Robert Johnson was here and present, ostensibly prepared for trial. Therefore, my client is now going to waive her right to any trial and plead pursuant to the recommendation now part of the court's information. Thank you.
All right, Ms. Denham, you want to raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Baughman today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 8th, 2019 at approximately 4:40 p.m. on that date and time. Were you at or near the location of Linwood and the Lodge in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2003 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And was your license not valid or improper?
Both. I didn't have one.
I'm satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm also satisfied with factual basis. You stipulate to probable causes the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated. Thank you.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine, Ms. Denham, of $200. Can you have that paid by July 26th?
Yes.
Did you have any questions?
No.
Then you are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Mr. Denham, Mr. Robbins, could you remove your hat?
All right, give me one moment, please. All right, any other preferences, Mr. Bachman, that you'd like
Nothing
to
from the defendant. Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
Nothing from the defendant. Nothing further.
No, did you have any other cases that you?
Oh, yeah. Sure. We are ready on Mr. Darnell Richmond, Your Honor.
This is the People versus Darnell Richmond.
Yes.
Ticket number P78789. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 17381970. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 17349082. Count 1, no operator's license on person. And ticket number U90622912. Count 1, violation of school ordinance. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Kaufman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Darnell Richmond.
Your Honor, the defendant's going to waive rights and plead pursuant to the recommendation. I do ask for one correction. That is the citation, the U ticket that appears amongst the instant cases. That is the school violation that the defendant pled guilty to that back in 2014 and respectively owes the court an amount that we would ask if the court would, in the interest of justice, amend to something more nominal. I believe the current amount is in excess of $450, and if we could, in the name of justice, roll that back to something that makes more sense, that this occurred back in 2014, and the defendant is here to answer for that and to plead guilty for the remainder of the cases on the docket. Thank you. And I would stipulate the probable cause as to any matters being dismissed pursuant to that recommendation, Your Honor.
All right. How much is he owing it now?
One moment. I'm gonna have to bring that back up.
$452?
That is correct.
We can move the late fee. To 77,
$50.
Yeah. Mhm.
So, all right, raise your right hand, Mr. Richmond.
Yes.
You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down, you've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Bachman today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Excuse me.
Did you say yes, or did you want me
I
to
didn't hear
repeat
you. Yes,
You're
I didn't hear
pleading
you.
guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of December 22nd, 2017 at approximately 5:19 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Greenfield and Plymouth in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 1998 Buick vehicle?
Yes.
Was your license not valid or improper?
Yes.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Bachman?
Yes, I am. Thank you, Your Honor.
You stipulate the proper causes of the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, so stipulated. Thank you, Your Honor.
So they're dismissed without prejudice. So there's a total of $152 that you owe for the U ticket. I will waive the late fees, late charges. And I think it's like a penalty charge, and which brings it down to $225.
Thank
But
you, Your
I'm
Honor.
also gonna order a $200 fine for this new ticket, so it's gonna be a total of $425 that you're gonna have to pay. Now, if money is a problem, you can do community service in lieu of paying the fine. Would you prefer to do that?
No, money not a problem.
I'm sorry, you said no?
I said the money is not a problem. I can't do the community service.
Okay, so it's a $200 fine. Can you have that paid by July 26th?
Yes.
And then also the other amount, the 225, so it's a total of 425. Can you have that paid by July 26th?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions?
No.
Oh, it is 325. I'm sorry, it's 325. So it's a total of 525. I'm sorry about that. Because it was 452 minus 127. I guess that's why I'm a lawyer and not a physician, but it's 325. So can you have the 525 paid?
By July, yes.
Deeper time.
You said 325 paid?
It's a total of 525. Can you have it paid by?
Okay.
Like,
Yes,
then
I
you need
can.
more time.
No, yeah, can you give me a little more time? I can have a little more time.
I can. Okay, so I'll give you to August 29th
Okay, that's good.
to pay everything. Now, again, I hope I don't regret this, because you pled on this U ticket in 2014. So you've had 8 years to pay this. You haven't paid it yet. So now I'm giving you 2 months to get it all paid.
I got it, because I'm trying to get my license and I'm trying to get this other job. So yeah, I'm gonna take care of it.
Get your life together. All right, you're all set.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor. Mr. Petway, can you check the waiting room and admit Mr. Robert Skipper? He was disconnected and has called me and asked to be readmitted. His case is ready, and we're.
Can I hang up?
Yes, you're free to leave. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Your Honor, I'm now ready on Mr. Frederick Dietz.
Thank you. Thank you. I was nervous.
Versus Frank Dietz, ticket number P115046, count 1, disorderly conduct. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Boffman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Please, sir, state your full name for the record.
Frederick James Dietz.
Good morning, Mr. Dietz. Your Honor, at this time, our pleasure would be to ask that this matter be set for a bench trial by way of Zoom, as there is a genuine and material issue of fact. Thank you.
Mr. Dietz, can you raise your right hand? you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
If you put your hand down, you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
I do understand that. Yes.
The court's gonna continue your not guilty plea. We're gonna set it for a bench trial date for August 4th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
Just one. Is a bench trial eligible for appeal?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay. I was just curious. Thank you.
you have to lose it though first.
Today's society.
Say less. I get it.
Right.
Forgive me,
Thank
Your
you,
Honor.
Your Honor.
All right, you're all set, sir. Good luck, Mr. Deeds.
Thank you. Thank you. I can hang up now.
You can hang up, sir. This is
Thank
the
you.
people versus Christopher Ross, ticket number 415960, count 1, never acquire insurance, count 2, unregistered motor vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant, sir. Please state your full name.
Christopher David Ross.
Thank you. The defendant and I have had conversation in the breakout room together. I find him to be in compliance. I've sent documents demonstrating same to Ms. Horn, and I believe there is a recommendation to dismiss the instant cases here. I would stipulate to probable cause for that. Thank you.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Mr. Ross, did you have any questions, sir?
No, thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
This is the people versus Raymond Robert Skipper, ticket number P12460006, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, improper
Fuck
plates,
yeah.
count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Please, sir, state your full name.
Raymond Rico Robert Skipper.
Thank you. The defendant presents today in compliance. I've sent documents to prove same to the prosecutor. I believe there's a recommendation to dismiss the instant case and would stipulate to probable cause for that. Thank you.
All right, so these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Robert Skipper. Did you have any questions, sir?
No, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay, you too.
Thank you. This is the people versus Joshua Red. Ticket number 1149632, count 1, drive while license not valid or improper. Ticket number P728762, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Ticket number 136166671, count 1, no operator's license in possession. And ticket number P125429, count 1, disregard signal red or amber, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Kaufman.
Good
Joshua,
morning.
oh.
I'm sorry.
Mm.
Your Honor, Mr. Red and I haven't finished our discussion. I did have some concerns about some additional cases, and I believe that the court did call those. There is an offer that I'd like to discuss with Mr. Red.
I'm sorry.
I
there's
could
one
ask
more
him to-
ticket that- I'm sorry. There's one ticket that I did not call. Ticket number 405958, count 1, open intoxicant, and count 2, no operator's license in possession.
Understood. Can we go back to the breakout briefly?
Yeah, you want to?
How do I do that?
Yeah, it won't take us
Well-
long.
We'll recall this and so you can
Thank you.
talk with him.
Mr.
This-
Red?
How do I do? Yeah, how do I do that? Go back
I'm
to the
sorry to
break.
interrupt you, Your Honor. You should be able to go back to the same breakout room that you've already been assigned to.
Judge, Mr. Ratliff closed the breakout room, so
Oh.
the way he can go back is when they get reopened. So be
Okay.
patient, Mr. Red.
Stand by.
Okay.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Bernard Rogers, ticket number P13286622, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Mr. Rogers, unmute your microphone and place your name on the record.
Bernard Rogers.
Thank you. Matter is set for a trial today, Your Honor. I do not know that the officer Brian or Bryant Perkins has checked in. If he hasn't, and there's no complaining witness, we ask you to consider a motion to dismiss here without prejudice.
This matter was set for trial.
9 a.m., Your Honor.
Okay, 9 o'clock, it is now 10:44. No officer has checked in, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Mr. Rogers, did you have any questions, sir?
No, sir, everything dismissed. You say everything dismissed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no, I'm good with it.
I'm sure you are, sir.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And I think those are the files that I have. I see there's are you ready on Robbins and Dobine?
No, I haven't spoke to Mr. Robbins, or Miss Dobine and.
Oh, we have spoke.
Yeah, we kind of were in the middle of speaking, right? We didn't get to.
Okay, what about Michael Davis? No?
Mr. Davis is represented by Mr. Dupree.
Oh, right, okay.
Judge, I just need to present the offer to him and then I think we'll be ready.